Next, our speaker is a prominent historian, the LaSalle University history professor. Si Mr. Xiao Chua is Michael Charleston Briones Chua is a graduate of University of the Philippines for his BA and MA in history. Also recently doctorate graduate. So Dr. Xiao Chua teaches at De La Salle University. He is also known for making history more interesting to the public through his TV interviews and programs and Manila Times column. Welcome again, Professor Xiao Chua.
Salamat po, Sir Wilson, sa platform. Carl Balita, Dr. Carl Balita, for bringing us together. Makasaysayang hapon po sa ating lahat, sa mga co-panelists ko, sa inyong lahat na nakikinig. Okay, siguro I'll just address some of the things that were talked about, and also, ang focus ko naman of course is, yes, I am for the retainment of the general education. Sinasabi nila hindi naman nila binubuha. Pero malinaw dito, nilulusaw. Nilulusaw. So, I'll begin with the story. When I was in college, I really hated natural science and math. Bakit ba yun na kasama sa GE namin? Diba? Kasi sana, gusto ko, history lang yung pag-aaralan ko para matataas ang grade ko. No? At hindi na ako mahihirapan pag-exam. Pero alam niyo po, nung ako ay tumanda na, napakahalaga pala nung natutuhan ko sa natural science. Napakahalaga nung natutuhan ko sa mathematics. Naintindihan ko kung ano ang DNA, ang process of evolution, paano ito nakaka-apekto sa atin, all of these things, no? Na kung hindi ko yun nakuha, ignorante sana ako. I'm sure, ganun din yung naramdaman ng mga tao na hindi history major, social science, pero bakit nag-history, bakit nag-philosophy. Pero I'm sure na ngayong medyo tumanda na sila, a lot of them would say na, mahalaga pala. And that's why this reaction. Nakikita natin yung reaction sa Facebook, dun sa public forum ngayon, habang binabanggit tong mga diluted GEs na ito, nakita nyo yung reaction, talagang thumbs down eh. And these are educated people. Educated people. These are teachers. I hope that Ched will listen. No? Dito sa ngayon, I take your check, no? Kasi sinasabi nyo, you're still getting comments that this is part of this is just the beginning, so thank you. I hope that you're going to listen. Okay, so GE, alam natin yan, bakit natin ginagawa yung GE, General Education. Not just because we want to produce robots who know skill, but we want them to be human beings. Sabi nga ni Gregorio de Jesus, sa guro, ang nagtuturo ng pagpapakatao. Sa magulang naging tao, sa guro nagpakatao. And yun yung role ng GE. Kaya ka nag-aaral ng kasaysayan, natural sciences, etc., malaman mo kung paano gumagana ang lipunan mo. Paano gumagana ang bagay-bagay, at sino ang mga tao na kailangan nating tulungan. Kasi para magpakatao tayo. Yun ang mahalaga doon. Kailangan natin ito ngayon kasi pag nakikita nyo sa FB, hindi na nagpapakatao sa Facebook eh. Diba? Yun yung nakakalungkot sa mga katangian natin. Diba? O anyway, puntahan natin yung mga sinabi nila. No? Sabi nila nag-consultation sila. Binanggit pa nila na may mga organisasyon silang kinausap. Sa Rizal and Philippine Studies. Hindi ko alam, Jonathan Balsamo, Secretary of the PHA, may natanggap ka bang imbitasyon? Wala. Ako PHA. Adhika, nagkagulatan din. May mga kaibigan naman kami doon sa panel. Bakit hindi ako kinausap? Ako na lang sana kinausap nila para na-relay ko sa maraming tao. Nasa media ako. Kaya yung DepEd, ginawa akong consultant. Kasi, hindi lang consultant na nagkaroon sila ng bunganga. Kasi ako ang nagpapaliwanag para sa DepEd ng mga ginagawa nila eh. Ang daming, bakit hindi kinausap ang mga historical organizations man lamang? Nagkagulatan po kaming lahat nitong Sabado. Si Jonathan lang nagbalita. Nagkagulatan kami, napawigkas kami sa aming upuan. Nagpulong lahat ng mga tao at nag-create ng mga GC. dahil sa reaction dito. So yun nga po, no? I was part of the curriculum development of the pagtuturo ng kasaysayan at lipunang Pilipino for the senior high school of the DepEd. Natutuwa ko na binalik namin yung Philippine history sa high school because that's the call of the populace. Pero I was not given the framework, at least I was not informed that that is already the transfer of the GE to the social or to the senior high school. I was not informed. Kung matagal nyo na pala plano, hindi sana alam ko, dahil ako ay consultant ng pagtuturo ng kasaysayan at lipunan ng Pilipino. Why did I know about it? Am I stupid? Ako ba'y pinagmukha niyong tanga doon? Na inililipat na pala yung history? From college to senior high? I don't know. I was probably clueless. But so is Jonathan Balsamo is clueless. And all the others. Kalma. Sorry. Pasensya na po kayo. So, why are we all surprised? Now, why do we need a separate, again, we have to clarify. The Rizal course, as I understand it, and there was a CMO now of CHED in 2012, I do not know, that says the Rizal course is a GE. In my understanding, and of course all the universities followed, in my understanding before, it was not a GE. Nililiwanag yan sa Lasal noon, meron kaming module. The Rizal course is not a GE course. It is a mandated course by law. Meaning, hindi nyo dapat isama sa bilang ng GE ang Rizal course. And my stand here, ladies and gentlemen, sabi nila, huwag daw my stand. Sige. The stand of many of us is that the general education, the Rizal course, the Rizal course should be separate from Philippine history. Because number one, they have different aims and goals. No? Number two, sabi nila, binigay mo naman yung, binaba na namin yung Philippine history sa high school. Sandali lang. When we designed the PKLP, that's not a totally history course. Yung nasa history course high school ngayon, 2 quarter lang din ng history. And then, eto pa yung isa. They say repetitive. May Philippine history na grade 5 and 6. May Philippine history na sa senior high school. Bakit may Philippine history pa tayo sa college? You know the answer to that, ladies and gentlemen? Simple. Iba yung focus ng Philippine history sa lower grades. Tapos kami, iba rin kasi professors po kami. Hindi ko kami education majors. At kami po ay, sorry, huwag na lang isama ako, pero yung makasama kong historiador, mga eksperto, nagpakadalubhasa. Tapos ano yan, wala kami ituturo. Majors na ituturo namin. Sayang naman yung pinag-aralan. Diba? So, kasi hindi ko repetitive. There is a higher, at naiintindihan ito ng taong bayan, alam nyo, very attractive. 3 years na lang ang college. Very attractive. But why is there a strong reaction? Kung gusto ng tao itong 3 years na ito, lamang. I've been hearing the cost cutting. Why? Cost cutting. So that means that education is not a priority. We have to take away the budget for education. Yan ba